So Nicholas Mueller from Enjet Aero, Director of ERP Systems. We manufacture components for the aerospace engine sector, machining, sheet metal, fabrication, special processes that go into pretty much any engine that flies. So we use the Kinetic Platform for everything from quote to cash. So from the very beginning with our customers getting a quote, all the way to the point of shipping their product, so everything in between. That's getting the order, buying the material, making the job, scheduling the job, quality, reporting, inventory transactions, and then shipping the product, receiving the cash, paying the bills, all of that. The cloud brought the ability to have them access the system even before they're off their current domains and networks and things like that. We have them accessing our Epicor data, learning about it, and we can start the process immediately and move them into our Kinetic version fast. The cloud was a game changer for us that we found. It was that we chose cloud on the idea that it might help. We realized that we couldn't do it without it, and now anything we look to kind of purchase from a software standpoint, is it cloud available? If it's not, we want to kind of see where those are available. From a Kinetic standpoint and the growth that we have, Kinetic's been huge for the scalability. We were able to put this in small sites that are a couple users, small manufacturing operations, to very large, and the growth has not caused inhibiting to our system or anything like that. The adoption's been fine. We made the right decision. Actually has allowed us to keep this lean ERP, technical resources, because the connections of that are user friendly, so that our users are actually making that connection, not just, you're not relying on somebody writing code in the back closet. It's somebody that is doing the day-to-day functions that can connect to it and do what they need to do. The world's ever changing, and you have to accommodate to that, and it's not easy to find people to do that. And by having user-friendly tools that make it empowered to the users, the ability to pull your own data that Kinetic provides was huge.